Chapter 2. Why was the moving floor invented? What were the reasons? Why was it needed? Today, the moving floor trailers represent a very efficient solution for transportation and for quick discharging of products, of bulks. And therefore today we could not imagine transport systems without moving floor trailers. What were the reasons for the inventors to find such a moving floor? Well, we could imagine, as it's a truck discharging technology, it could have been invented in a very big car industry, cities such as Detroit. Was it invented in Detroit? No, it was not. Today, such moving floor trailers, they were with a lot of food packages such as bottles or trays for recycling purpose. So another question could be, was it invented in a big bottle beverage industry, Atlanta? No, it was not. Last try. It is such an important technology that today resource management and international transportation works with a lot of moving floor trailers. Therefore, we could think that the people at the stock market could have been interested to invent such a technology. So was it invented in a big capital, in New York, stock market, in Europe, London, Frankfurt, Paris, Moscow? I don't know. No, it was not. In fact, the moving floor was invented in Oregon. Oregon is more known for agriculture, for beautiful landscape, for forests. And in fact, yes, there was a transportation problem at the beginning. And the transportation company and its supplier, its trade supplier, thought about a solution. And so all Alstrom and Key Foster found this solution, and therefore I put this background photo of a moving floor with corn, transporting corn, because this was probably one of the reasons why it was invented in Oregon. They had to transport and discharge very quickly agricultural grains, corn, wheat. They had to transport logs, wood chips. They had to transport peat, manure, and sludge. And they had to find a solution that guaranteed quick discharging, a robust solution, and giving a certain leak tightness, and cleaning should be easy. So here we are with the moving floor technology.